Now I know the summer is almost over, but can we get into this water wave 5x5 closure wig? This hair is so bomb. The curls are so pretty. And when I tell you it's a vacation hair, you need it for your next vacation. Let's get into the details of these beautiful curls. Ariel, so this beautiful wig was sent to me from Yolissa Hair. This is the beautiful pink and black box the wig came in. And inside of the box came the beautiful 5x5 water wave wig. It was ready to wear, okay? And then, of course, Yolissa Hair sent me some goodies in the box. They did send me a satin wrap. This is what is in this little bag. A pink satin wrap. They sent me some lashes, of course. And then they went ahead and they sent me, of course, my Henning Dinley edge brush. Always comes in handy. Then they went ahead and sent me the elastic band that says Yolissa Hair. You can use this to melt your lace and tie your hair down in the front so you can get a good melt. It also sent me a HD wig cap and I was loving it. This HD wig cap is the truth. And then it sent me a satin wig bag. This bag you can use to store your wig in when you are not using your wig. Now the details on the wig is 22 inches long. It's a HD lace, and then of course my cap size is small because my head is small. But let's get into opening this wig so we can look at the hair. Okay, right out of the bag, the wig is ready to wear. Look at those curls. The curls was giving vacation. It was screaming summer. It was screaming curly vibes. Look at that pre-plug ready to wear in the front. You have your middle part. The lace is pre-plugged. The hairline is plugged to perfection. Okay. Let's go ahead and open this beautiful wig. Right out of the box, you can put this wig on and go. When I tell you ready to wear, ready to wear. Look at how gorgeous these curls are right out of the box. The curls were so pretty. They are hard to describe. These are water wave curls. You know, the length is 22 inches. Let me tell you, Yolissa Hair have up to 36 inches long for these water waves. So check them out. They went ahead and bleach your knots already. You do not have to bleach your knots. They sent you an elastic band. You don't need to add your own elastic band. The elastic band comes within your wig, is attached to your wig. That's a ready to wear wig. It does come with the combs if you need it, two combs on each side and then one in the back. And of course, it comes with your adjustable straps in the back. It comes with a beautiful mesh. And when I tell you this beautiful, gorgeous, curly, look at those vibes. Look at how it's shaking and moving. This wig was full, I believe it's 180% density. It was thick, it was full, and it was ready to wear. All right, let's go ahead and put her on. I apply a little bit of foundation to my lace. And when I tell you she's ready to wear, she is ready to wear. You can take her right out of the box and put her on. And this is how she looks right out of the box. The curls are so bomb. You do not have to do anything to it if you don't choose to do it, if you don't want to do it, okay? You can just cut the lace off and wear this wig if you choose to. This is how the lace looks without any baby hair, with it being on my head right out of the box. You can see the back part. This wig is nice and thick and full. I was absolutely in love with how pretty, and the curls are so beautiful and so soft. I actually love how it feels. It feels really nice. The curls are very pretty and I love the length. This is 22 inches. It's not too long, but like I said, Yolissa Hair have up to 36 inches if you want to check this wig out. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and style this wig like the way Caroline will love it. Okay, you can certainly cut the lace off and wear this wig ready to good. Okay, it's easy to install right out of the box. You don't need to do much. You can see I cut the lace off. You do not need any baby hair if you do not want baby hair. You can just cut this lace off. Whether or not you want to install the lace with some adhesive or some glue is up to you, but you don't need to because you have the elastic band attached in this wig. So you don't need that. You can wear it just like this, ready to go. But like I said, I'm gonna style it the way Caroline will love to wear it. So the first thing I'm going to do is start with adding a little bit of baby hair because for me it's a curly wig. So I have to add some baby hair when it comes to curly wig. I just feel like it makes the curly wig look more prettier when you add those baby hair. So of course it's a 5x5 closure. The parting space is wide, is deep, it's open. So I'm just going to add two little baby hair on each side, okay? And I'm using my hot comb just to separate the baby hair from the rest of the hair. After separating my baby hair, I'm just taking a pair of scissors and I'm going to cut off my baby hair, just making it look shorter, making it look a little bit more realistic because I don't want the baby hair to be extremely big or extremely long, okay? So you want to cut your baby hair just so that it looks shorter and it look more real or realistic once you have it swoop. After cutting my baby hair, of course, I'm going to use my my half inch, my baby not curling, but baby flat iron, and I'm going to curl my baby hair. This just helps makes your baby hair easy, very easy to form. It do not give you hard time when you're trying to make your baby hair. So it's good to always use your small curler or your small flat iron, your tiny flat iron, and you want to curl your baby hair always before you start to swoop it or you start to lay it down. Now, to lay my baby hair down, all I use is a little bit of Gorilla Snots gel, okay? And I'm just swooping my baby hair a little bit, forming it. And like I said, I only did two tiny baby hair just to help my lace closure because like I said, this is a 5x5 lace closure. You don't have a lot of space to do a whole bunch of baby hair all over, but I'm just using the little bit of space and I'm adding those two baby hair. After that, that is it. I'm going to take my Yolissa hair elastic band and I'm going to cover up, tie my lace down in the front just to make sure I have a nice melt and make sure that my lace is melted nicely and my baby hair is dry. After that, I'm going to take my hair down, of course, And then we just gonna hydrate the curls a little bit. The curls, like I said, is already formed, but I'm using some Design Essential and I'm using their leave-in conditioner just to add some moisture to the hair and loosen up the curls and just makes the curls a little bit more vibrant and a little bit more hydrated. Do you need to do this right out of the box? No, but you will need to do it as long as you're going to have this wig. You will need to hydrate the curls. That's the best thing you can do with any curly hair. You need to hydrate the curls. Get you some regular conditioner in some spray bottle with water, or you get you some leave-in conditioner and spray your wig down. You can see already that the curls looks hydrated, the curls looks prettier just by me spraying it with some leave-in conditioner. All right, y'all. So after hydrating the curls, look at how pretty these curls are. I was in love, okay? I'm just doing some last minute finishing touches. I just swoop my top with the hot comb, and that was pretty much it. I took the elastic band down, and girl, look at that lace, look at that melt. I was absolutely in love with this hairstyle. All right, you guys, so this is pretty much the end of this video. This wig is a water wave wig from Yolissa Hair 5x5 HD lace closure. The hair length is about 22 inches long. If you guys want to check out this beautiful wig, I absolutely love the curls. Love how this wig turned out. The lace melts right into your skin. The curls just needs to be hydrated. I will leave all the links in the description box for Yolissa Hair if you guys want to check out this beautiful wig. I absolutely love the end results. Thank you all for watching. As always, I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.